In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to make rich and vibrant purples with the colors that you see below. First, I'm going to blend Phthalo Blue Lake, which uses the pigment PB15:3, and Magenta, which uses the pigment PR122. I love both of these paints. They're both extremely rich and have high tinting strength, Phthalo Blue more so. Together, they produce a very vibrant range of purples. And actually, if you're looking for a way to mimic dioxazine purple, just mix a 2-to-1 ratio of magenta to phthalo blue. In the right two columns, I'm going to add less white in the middle and then more white on the right side so you can see how these colors tint. On the left side, I'll take a little refined linseed oil and drag the colors out so you can see how these colors look when they're thinned. Up next, we've got Cobalt Teal, which uses the pigment PG50 blended with magenta. And this combination is going to be a little lighter than the Phthalo Blue, and it's going to be a little more opaque. Last up, we've got Ivory Black, which uses the pigment PBK9 mixed with magenta. You might be wondering why I'm not using red mixed with blue, and it's because red doesn't actually produce the most vibrant purples, but pink does, magenta in particular. Anyways, Ivory Black is also fairly transparent, just like magenta, and you can produce a range of vivid maroons which come alive into deep, rich purples when a little white is added. Here's the finished color mixing chart, and as usual, if you'd like to view or download this chart, you can do so for free via my Dropbox, and I've added a link in this video's description below.